Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. This is Jude of Hope IT Helps. So ayun, mapapansin nyo sa background natin, naka 100 subscribers na tayo.
Awesome!
Ito natin ang ating mga sarili. Maraming salamat sa mga nag-subscribe, sa sumuporta, lalo na sa mga kaibigan natin na nagbigay ng mga gandang feedback. So ayun, so yung energy level, tataasan na natin, gagawin na natin 100%. Ayaw lang talaga lumabas ng kulit sa camera. So ayun, maraming salamat po ulit. Ang sunod po nating target is yung 200 naman na subscribers. So, for your support, please share this channel. Tapos, subscribe na din yung mga hindi pa nakasubscribe. Thanks! Hello everyone. For today's vlog, re-reviewin natin yung isang affordable laptop for the price of 18,990. Ang brand niya is HP. Pero ang processor niya is Intel Celeron. So, alamin natin kung worth it ba siya for homeschooling. Kasi yung kapitbahay namin naghahanap ng murang laptop. So, ang budget lang nila is around that price range. So, may tumulong sa atin yung mga taga OCTAGON sa SM City Novaliches. So, yun. Sinabihan tayo na meron silang available laptop na HP pero Intel Celeron Processor. So, reviewin natin kung okay nga ba, okay pa ba si Celeron for homeschooling. So, ayun, just watch guys.
The HP 14S-CF2041TU is an entry-level notebook powered by a dual-core Intel Celeron N4020 mobile processor with 1.1 GHz base frequency and up to 2.8 GHz burst frequency. Although this is a Celeron laptop with the help of 4GB DDR4 RAM and a 256 M2 SSD, it can perform well on a single task to a light multitasking, such as listening to music while browsing and word processing. The 14 inches high-definition screen with bright view technology gives you a crisp color display even in a dark room. This is not as thin as other laptops in the market, with its dimension of 32.4 by 22.59 by 1.99 cm. It only weighs about 1.43 kg. Because of the True Vision HD camera, it is perfect for video conferencing, meeting, and video chatting. Partnered with dual speaker between the base of the screen and keyboard, you can clearly hear the sound. On normal use, the 3-cell lithium battery could stand up to 4 hours of use. With different expansion slots and external ports, this laptop can extend its purpose and function. File transfer from mobile devices, extending the display with a monitor, audio enhancement with desktop mic and speaker, and a fast network connection.